right? Because I spotted Anurag video of beautiful guy. So he's planning to do that. But trouble traffic का issue नहीं है भाई, ये बाहर के पीछे totally worth it यार. Shit, I hope he makes it again यार. Okay. He had to roll. Or I would have went in straight. तो दत्त जयंती दत्त गुरु.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So very good morning guys. It is Friday, it is 8:58 in the morning and we are heading, as I said, to our first ride. So location क्या होगा? You'll get to know actually from the title only यार. क्या ही बोलूँगा location के बारे में. So मतलब धीरे धीरे आपको पता ही चल ही जाएगा. Where am I actually headed to? And people from here, मेरा Bhainder, I mean you know this road, right? The traffic there is on this road is next level. So small incident back there in the petrol pump, spilling my petrol, done with the petrol pump, and was headed back again. And then an idiot, he came from the wrong side and crashed into my bike. So luckily the impact was not that much. It was a small one, but okay. Idiots on the road, so you need to be very careful. So he got scared when he saw the GoPro on my helmet and stuff. He's like, "Arey bhai sahab, abhi to gaya." But no worries. I asked him if he was okay. He was okay, and then I left him, and there was no sense. Everybody was shouting on him only because he came up on the wrong side of the road. So no sense in arguing on that thing again, because already everyone was asking him क्या कर रहा है भाई, क्या कहाँ से जा रहा है, इतना भाई कहाँ पे है. So it's better to keep your quiet, just move on. छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की जय. So showing approximately 1.5 hours, so I'll take 10:30 to reach from here. You know that happy feeling when you see your videos on YouTube? Something else, yeah. Well, I was surfing on my laptop, YouTube, and I saw my thumbnail. I was so happy. All the time, I understand that whatever search you will do, that will automatically take. Hey, wow! I was expecting this auto to come, but it didn't, but now I saw it. It looks cute. No problem. Shinto into it is, but yeah, it will protect you from rains and dust, because you can close the windows. Now to talk about my bike, thoda bahut. This is the SG version 4. I bought this bike on 2023 April. So this is my first bike. इसके पहले no idea how to ride a bike. Thanks to each and everyone for teaching me how to ride a bike. And so this is 150cc, as I said. The load, I am not a, what do you say, auto expert, guys. Whatever I feel from riding, it's for now. It's going to complete 2 years next year. So that's हुआ, कुछ एक्सपीरियंस से मैं बोल रहा हूँ जो मुझे फील हुआ। लो एंड इज ओके, मिड रेंज इज सुपर सुपर, मिड रेंज इज रियली गुड, द टॉप एंड लैग या मे बी मेरा राइट नहीं है, एनीथिंग ऑफ टू थिंग्स। आई 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 एम इन लव विद एलॉयज यार, मतलब हर गाड़ी में मुझे एलॉयज बहुत पसंद है। आई होप सो वी कैन फाइंड सम ब्यूटीफुल कार्स टुडे। लास्ट टाइम आई वाज गोइंग टू माय विलेज ना ड्यूरिंग Ganpati time, not during Navratri time, but I spotted a beautiful sports car two-seater. Let's see if I can spot one now. Because they usually leave early in the morning only. I'm planning for a ride next Saturday or Sunday maybe to Marine Drive. Because I spotted Anurag's video, beautiful cars, so I'm planning to do that. I don't know what all just trying to speak or thank you. Okay, I guess the bike bag setting is now off. Let's see what's the issue. Okay, that has gone to that side. So now what I'll do is once I reach my destination now, तब तक भाई थोड़ा सा साथ देते, because I'll shift it whatever luggage is there ना on this side as well. So what I'll do is it'll adjust the things. यहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा वॉल्यूम है, यहाँ पे थोड़ा कम वॉल्यूम है, इसलिए वो मूव होते रहेगा. दिस इज़ गोइंग टू बी थिंग टू वरी फॉर मी फॉर श्योर. थोड़ा सा साथ दे दे मेरे भाई. दिस थिंग आई शुड हैव रिमूव्ड इट यार, तो ये सीधा पड़ जाता हूँ. That's why, you know, riding community is beautiful, man. Everyone is ready to help you. Super. 1 hour 15 minutes. 19. So I'll see you guys after some time. Traffic क्या ही दिखाऊंगा यार. Out of some traffic. 1 hour 8 minutes to go through. The trouble ट्रैफिक का इशू नहीं है भाई, बट ये बाइक जो पीछे लटकाया ना मैंने, बराबर से नहीं लटकाया. The whole volume is on the right side, so the back is automatically shifting after some time on the right side. I mean, I can adjust it now. Once I reach the place, and after sitting there, I can adjust it. I've taken 3 volts for that bag only यार. क्या बोलूं? I don't want it to go on the right and ट्रैफिक में तो नहीं रुका सकता है मैं गाड़ी. करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा क्या कर सकते हैं. The moments I don't like. Perfect. Hold on. This much vehicle moving on Western National Highway. Somewhere near there. Whoa! Shit! Why? Oh man, that made my day. Ah, shit! Oh boy! Beautiful engine. Wow! Loved it. मजा आ गया यार. Totally worth it यार. Shit! I hope he meets me again यार. Okay. Wow. That's my dream car यार. मतलब okay. He is here to ruin. Oh man, today I wish we would have been on this road. Shit. Or I would have continued straight. Never mind. I need to rewatch this one. Well, thanks. I was going to switch off my camera. By the way, I said, "Arey yaar, बहुत traffic है." I was going to switch it off, and thank God, I didn't. What? When did Apple start creating cars? Ah, desire. I'm doing a गाड़ी 46 minutes है लास्ट में आपकी. There you go, GSB. Call is it? Nice helmet, bro. That helmet goes really well on the Expulse. Okay, there's one right now. Yeah, boy. Nicely modified. Now I need, once I reach, about to reach, I mean. Okay, the next right, sorry. Not this one. I need to check for the footage. I need to check the audio is good. Oh, Tataka. There we go. There should have been a signal over here. So that's a main road here. Now, no. Okay. Just when I started to accelerate. But it निकलना चाहिए जल्दी. अरे यार, give them on, you throw your lights over them. They are not going to stop. I know. He had lost it for a while because this is a service road ना. भाई तू किस रोड से आ रहा है? भाई मैं तो नहीं लेके आया यहाँ से. Google बाबा, I'll take you places. Don't worry.
अच्छा, ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है, समझ गया, समझ गया.
15 minutes now, then 15 minutes to go. 10:45 is our time what we reach. And that's good. Okay, so we are going by M2M. Ooh, man, this was a good ride, I'll say. Overall experience आ जाता है आपको ट्रैफिक का, फिर empty roads, beautiful roads are coming in. Okay, this is going to be okay. That's what makes sense, coming up early. Okay. Okay, guys, we are out of the boat now. Finally, यार अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay, here we go. That's the beauty. Full Mandwa beach. That's where the boats actually stop. When we came from was Roro. Yeah, the season is on. I mean, weekend is on. Christmas is here. Everyone are going to come to Alibag. So pick us. We are planning to come to Alibag. No, not the right time. The best time I will say is somewhere around January. We'll get to have that special food we call popti. If I don't think I'll get a chance to show you that popti because it's Datta Jayanti tomorrow, and so no non-veg, strictly no non-veg. So I'm here till Sunday, and then I'll be heading back to our home. I mean, you guys know I'm not a vlogger, I'm a motor vlogger, so I'm sorry if I'm not able to show you anything. Most of the time I'll be traveling through car only, so I'll just try to take my GoPro with me so that I can show you the things I've been doing here. Sorry. So why I came over here is Datta Jayanti. First of all, I mean, I already told. See, that's the board for Ajanta. I already told you guys, right? This is my native place. No, not this exactly, but yeah, Alibag is my native place. So I'll show you exactly where in अलीबाग. घर पे मत पहुंच जाना बस भाई मेरे. So Datta Jayanti is Lord Datta Guru's, you know, Vishnu's avatar. So we have this temple over here. I'll show you in Sheol. And every year there's a Mela during this time, Datta Jayanti. I guess that's PNP's bus. No, that's Ajanta's bus only. Alright, sorry. This thing is really good यार, मतलब पूरा jacket and all. I love this thing यार, मतलब मज़ा आता है. अलग ही, you become a totally different person यार. I think the GoPro might heat up a bit now. I still have one battery which I can use, and I think I might use that one because the battery currently I am using is the one which we get in the GoPro 10, the old one, the blue one, you know. So उसका बैटरी पावर आई गेस थोड़ा कम है यार, मतलब बैटरी फटाफट उतरता है, आई फील सो. एंड द वाइट वंस, दे आर गुड. I mean, I came from Bhinder to what? Bhaucha Dakka. See, that's the road for rivers. So you can come from there as well. The boats which I showed you in the start. It stayed with me till that time. And now I am pretty assured यार. I mean, आते वक्त भी गाड़ी बैग ऐसे ही लटकाऊंगा. दिस कुछ गुड. थोड़ा बहुत स्ट्रगल है यार, मतलब ना नहीं बोलूँगा. बाइक चलाना है ना तुमको, सिर्फ एन्जॉयमेंट के लिए, यू कांट सी फ्रॉम दैट पर्सपेक्टिव. स्ट्रगल तो है भाई. टैंक बैग निकालो, बैग निकालो. इफ़ यू हैड अ टॉप बॉक्स, दैट्स अ होल डिफरेंट थिंग. यू विल एन्जॉय इट, यू कीप इट एज इट इज़, है ना, बोझ में. बट यू नो, कैरिंग ऑल द स्टफ अप एंड देन कैरिंग इट अगेन डाउन, डूइंग इट ऑल, टाइंग इट अप अगेन. Oh man, that's a troublesome work. But you have to. That's the process now. That's what you enjoy. That's what you are going to see back home, to your friends, your family. अरे ये वो भाई, ये experience, वो experience. So all that matters. Okay, that should have been my stop. But never mind. I'll try to stop somewhere near Alibag. What's the time? 12:30. Almost lunch time. I'm not taking a lunch break any yaar. I'll just go home and have my food. यार मस्त. Actually that was my mistake. मस्त. I was having my coffee and those guys come, sir, I'm sorry, allowed to surrender it to us. No outside food. Okay, never mind, take it. Thankfully I was not eating something else because I had a protein bar. So वो लेके जाता तो मेरा घाटा हो जाता भाई. द कॉफ़ी वॉज ऑलमोस्ट ओवर. थोड़ा सा ही बाकी था. तो ले लो भाई, ले लो, ख़त्म हो गया वैसे भी. एंड यू लाइक, I'll put them in. कहाँ पे गया यार? यहाँ पे था शायद. Yup. What the hell, do I stop my गाड़ी? Okay, wait. I won't drink it now. छोड़ो. भीड़ था वैसे भी. आगे जाके पीता हूँ कुछ. ओके सो गाइस, अलग लेवल ड्राइविंग है, तो संभाल के आना भाई इधर आओगे तो। दर इज अ जूस सेंटर यहाँ पे अंदर। आई डोंट वांट टू लीव माई बाइक एंड गो, बिकॉज अगर बाइक छोड़ूंगा तो फिर से मुझे ये करना पड़ेगा। ओके, आई हैव अ वर्ड ऑन दैट अगेन। सो दिस आगे ओवर देयर इट्स अलीबाग बस स्टैंड एंड अलीबाग बीच, अलीबाग सिटी, व्हाटएवर। And now this, from this left, which you took right now, will take you in to Alibag. यहाँ से आगे से भी there's a right if you want to go from inside. I mean, if you are staying somewhere, if you took a hotel near here, so you don't need to come up all the way till there, because most of the time यहाँ पे भीड़ ही रहता है। तो सीधा डालो, अब ये जो आगे वाला राइट है वो राइट मार के चले जाओ, you'll go to the beach. What we'll do is take the left and we'll go towards Murud, Revdanda, you know, whatever you guys have heard. यहाँ पे थोड़ा बहुत ट्रैफिक मिल जाता है कभी कभार। दिस लुक एट दिस हैवी व्हीकल। It is really hot guys, not kidding. RX100, अरे I should have come from there only यार, अंदर से। I love अलीबाग, अलीबाग सिटी। अरे नंतर बोला काका, that thing that scared the shit out of me, man. In Ganpati we usually come by roads. So this is an unfortunate thing because the roads are so bad, so bad. I am thinking of going to come by road next time when I come during Ganpati. So I'll show you the roads over there. How beautiful the roads are, है ना? And what exactly the government does for us. And not the government actually, the Gram Panchayat over here works, right? So how beautiful the roads are. They don't care whatever comes, elections आए, कुछ भी आए. Okay, so I was talking about this road. If you take the right, and go, then you will go from inside the villages. You will get Akshi and all. But if you go from here, you will get empty roads, beautiful roads. By the way, such me beautiful, not sarcasm. And greenery everywhere. Greenery. Oh, nice. Bailgadi Shariat. Oh, that's Belgade. If you know by chance, Samresh Vlogs, he lives over here. That's a Marathi YouTuber, by the way. If you are interested, you can follow him. Samresh Vlogs. Aswari. Now starts the beautiful road. Let me overtake this champ. Look at the roads, look at the trees. This road is what we dream of. This road is what we see usually on Instagram and stuff. But this is I mean, this feeling is something different, guys. I can't express you in words. You need to come over here. You need to express this. You need to feel this thing. तभी ही oh, nice smell. Nice smell. But unfortunately, I can't eat. Ah, you boy. That's what I'm talking about. That's what is happiness. That's what is peace. That's why I come over here whenever I get time. अभी थोड़ा कम हुआ है, but when I was a kid, man, I used to come every time there's vacation. Every time. गर्मी मतलब गणपति तो आते ही थे, बट बीच में भी छुट्टी गिरा, चलो गाओ. You get these things over here, you don't get in Mumbai. I'm not complaining. 4-5 days over here, I'll say हाँ ठीक है, 4-5 days is good. A week over here is peaceful. Then it's Mumbai यार. I mean nothing takes over Mumbai. For sure. Took a short break, 2 मिनट का ब्रेक, पानी पिया, चेक इफ द फुटेज वॉज करेक्ट, बैटरी सही है, ठीक है, सब ठीक है, सब बढ़िया है. नाउ स्टार्ट्स द सीनिक रोड. नाउ स्टार्ट्स द रियल ब्यूटी ऑफ अलीबाग. आई मीन अलीबाग ब्यूटीफुल है, नो डाउट. गाली देंगे मेरे को सब, खुद के भाई गाँव का तारीफ कर रहा है भाई, ऐसा नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज ब्यूटीफुल हियर. So this was the route which if we would have come from, that would have been the route. Now starts the real beauty. So enjoy guys. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, guys. You don't get it everywhere. And please, it's a request, humble request. यहाँ आके गाड़ी मत रुकाना भाई. वो दिखा ना अभी क्या हुआ. Don't stop your car over here. It's not meant for that. Look at this beauty. Look at this beauty, man. That's the GSW plant that goes over until over there. That's the sea. Sorry. Okay. During after this Gudi Padwa, there's a race over here, boat race. So I don't think I might be coming over here. I'll just show you if I come by chance. I'll show you for sure. How can I forget that there was a juice over here? I'm sorry. I said that I won't talk, but I had to. Now this left will take you to Birla Mandir. There Roha, that side. This right, it's going to take you to my Murud, Korle, Shrivardhan. So whatever guys, कोकन कोस्टल राइड है, ये जो मैंने बिछा के रखा है मैप अपने टैंक पे, यही से जाएगा सब यही से जाने वाला भाई. Okay, a little pebble there. That's the factory that starts from here, Salao, that is. That's an old drone zone, okay? So if you come by chance anywhere over here, you're not allowed to fly drone. Look at this. if any if you oh sorry tag one, if any of you have played Road Rash ever in your life, you must have seen the road over there that was quite similar to this one, and exactly that is this. No difference. That's Maharashtra tourism has taken it. Nice. That was Saffron's earlier. MTDC, or maybe they just put out the logo. That is Saffron's actually. You see there's actually that logo. That's the difference. वहाँ पे वो जो था पेट्रोल पंप, उसके बाद that's over here. बीच में कहीं पे नहीं है भाई. मैं बोल रहा हूँ it was empty for now, but it is not always. So on the right hand side you see that's Korlai Fort. I am sorry guys, I am not going to come here tomorrow. No chance, because I have come here totally for Datta Jayanti and other things. I said earlier as well, right? I am not a vlogger, I am a motor vlogger. But dekhte hain, I mean, I am not into vlogging and stuff, because behind the cam is much better than coming in front of the cam. If you, I mean, I'll be coming to my village. Yeah, this is my native place. I'll be coming here and there. You will see most it, but often. बहुत लोग बोलेंगे भाई यार तेरे पास कोई जगह नहीं है क्या, तो वही जगह है भाई. है भाई, जो है वो है. घमंड है, घमंड नहीं है, सॉरी. आई एम प्राउड बोरलीगर. So you will see these things. So this village has a very what do you say, unique thing. I mean, do read on Google. Very unique village. कभी आऊँगा ना अंदर, I'll show you. If you are interested in watching the village now, you can follow Vinayak Sodekar. Just type in Vinayak Sodekar on YouTube, you'll get him. He's from Gorle, so he'll show you the village. So that was Gorle, and now that's the route to a home. We are at home. This road is actually a bit scary, so while riding be very cautious about it. So there are a lot of villas over here that have started. If you are interested, I mean, you can try pinging me. I can help you. I got few contacts. My brothers, my uncle and aunt stay over here, so I mean, I can get you in touch with them. So my brother can help you with it. Villas if you're interested. Then it's always better to get it booked from someone who is from that place. There's one. This is one Heritage Sea View Resort. That's actually sea view. You see, hardly 2 minutes walk from here. You take this right. You go onto the Kolai beach, one of the beautiful beaches here. And then starts the journey to my home. 2 minutes. Beautiful road. Absolutely beautiful. They have made it now. Like superb. पहले तो मतलब क्या ही बोलूँ भाई, लद्दाख कुछ नहीं था इसके सामने. ये रोड खतरनाक था. लोग एक्चुअल में इधर आते थे. Look at that. You see? Woohoo! Feel so happy to be back home. Look at the beach. Okay, that's a very, very, very bad history about this beach. So excuse me for that. You won't find any sand over here. So I don't want to talk much about that, because that's a whole other thing, and I don't want to get into that topic. But beautiful, totally beautiful. Like nothing makes me happy than coming back home. That's the only hospital over here. So whatever major cases happen, they काल ये करी So that's my brother. Okay, new speed breakers. Nice. That was much needed. So that's only temple. That's it, guys. I mean, we'll continue later. I mean, if I go somewhere, want to shoot, I will definitely show you. Okay. Until then, goodbye. Take care.
क्लोज दाखव ना खोल आणि परत दाखव